What is up, fellow Pyro Fanatics? It's Daddy28 here, and today I'm going to show you guys a demo of a 500 gram cake called Midwest Storm by Boom Wow Fireworks. This is a 25 shot cake, and the performance description is on the side over here. We got the barcode over here if you guys want to scan it to watch the product demo on the Boom Wow website. And for the performance description, we got silver strobe mine to silver strobe with blue, gold strobe mine to gold strobe with blue, and last row with silver strobe mine to time, rain, and strobe. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy this demo, and let me know what you think. Okay, we got Midwest Storm by Boom Wow. Damn! Ooh. Nice! Boom Wow's impressive.